So let's say you are broke and you want to make money online and you are looking for a way that is beginner friendly, that is easy to do, and most important, you don't need fancy things for this. So in this amazing video, I'm going to share with you 5 amazing side hustles that you can do to make extra $3,000 to $5,000 every month. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So before I talk about the side hustles, it's important for me to tell you that every side hustle or business needs effort and time. And because this is not a quick reach scheme, everything takes time. So if you are ready for this, you can easily make money or you can become successful in any side hustle. So first is drop servicing. So drop servicing and drop shipping, both names look the same but they are different. So if you're someone who don't have any skill but wants to make money online, then drop servicing is the best side hustle for you. So in drop servicing, your only job is to get the client, get their work, hire somebody who can do your job, give them a cut, and you get the full payment. So this is the money structure of drop servicing, and even if you don't know anything graphic designing, content creation, website designing, you can easily make money from drop servicing. Second side hustle, which I think everyone's favorite including me, is YouTube. So guys, if you love to creating videos, then YouTube is a great platform for you to monetize your passion, or even if you don't love to create videos, it's still a great way. So guys, maybe you're thinking that why YouTube? Because there are so many people who are creating videos on YouTube. But guys, there is a hack to make more money with YouTube I'm going to share with you. So guys, the hack to make more money with YouTube is to create content around a topic or niche. And when you start creating content on a specific niche, you make more money compared to the people who are creating videos and getting lots of views, but they are creating videos on just random topics. So this is the benefit of creating niche based content. Third side hustle is digital product. Digital products are booming nowadays, guys, and anyone can easily make a lot of money by just creating a simple digital product. And guys, digital products could be anything: courses, ebooks, blueprints. You can create anything and sell it to your audience through your social media. Fourth side hustle is services. So if you're someone who has some skills like web designing, social media managing, or anything, guys, you can make money and monetize your skill. But how you can make money? So you have to start creating content on what you know, and when you start getting people attention, you can offer your services and charge money. And this is amazing, guys, because I have a friend who charged $300 to $400 just for designing a simple Facebook cover page. So yeah, this is a great way to make money if you know something and you have a skill. Fifth side hustle is freelance digital marketing. So guys, freelance digital marketing is no different. This is affiliate marketing, where you just have to promote other companies' product, and whenever you make sale, you get your commission. This is an amazing side hustle, guys, because first, I personally do this side hustle, and second is this is a great way to make a lot of money just by spending 3 to 4 hours every day. So guys, if you can spend 3 to 4 hours every day, then this is the best option for you to start making money online. And guys, in my upcoming videos, I will talk more about affiliate marketing, share with you my experience and how you can start and become successful in freelance digital marketing. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you got some knowledge. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.